I tried making money online using only AI for 7 days, and on day 3, something unexpected happened. So I found this tool called VidForce AI. It claims you can create videos and earn passive income, even if you're a complete beginner. No camera. No skills. No experience. Sounds perfect, right? So I decided to test it for 7 days straight, and what happened surprised me. Here was my plan: day 1 learn the tool, day 2 create content, day 3 to 7 upload consistently, and the goal? See if I can actually get results using VidForce AI. No shortcuts. No fake hype. Just real testing. But I already had one doubt: if this was so easy, why isn't everyone making money with it? On day 1, I logged into VidForce AI, and honestly, it looked simple. You enter a keyword, the AI writes a script, adds voiceover, creates a full video within minutes. At this point, I was impressed. I thought, this might actually work. But I didn't want to get excited too early. Day 2, I created my first video. No editing. Just pure AI. And here's the thing, the video wasn't bad. But it also wasn't special. It felt like something you'd scroll past. And that's when I realized something important. Day 3 is where everything changed. Instead of relying completely on AI, I made one small change. I rewrote the first 5 seconds of the video, that's it. Just the hook. And suddenly, the video felt more engaging. More human. More clickable. And that's when I understood, AI gives you content but you create attention. On day 4 and 5, I improved the process: better hooks, slight script edits, more curiosity-driven titles, and the videos started improving. Not viral, but better. More watch time, more engagement. And that's when things started to make sense. By day 6 and 7, I had multiple videos uploaded. Now here's the honest truth: I didn't make instant money, I didn't go viral, but I saw growth, I saw potential, and I saw what actually works. And that's more valuable than fake results. Let me be real with you. VidForce AI is not a magic tool. It won't make you rich overnight, run your business for you, replace effort, but it can save you time, help you start faster, remove technical barriers, and for beginners. That's powerful. The biggest lesson from this experiment? Tools don't make money, skills do. If you combine AI tools, good hooks, smart strategy, that's when results happen. And most people skip that part. This is perfect if you're starting from zero, you want a faceless content system, you need help creating videos, but avoid this if you want instant results, you don't want to learn, you expect automation equals success. So, after 7 days, is VidForce AI worth it? Yes. As a starting tool, no. As a shortcut to money, it's a tool. And how you use it determines everything. If you want to try VidForce AI, I've put the link in the description. But if you do, don't just copy what the AI gives you. Improve it. Because that's where the real results are.